my goodness, it's been such a long time since I've posted a video, but I'm so excited. I just got this Zaful package today. I ordered a few bathing suits because I recently lost 30 pounds and wanted to get a few new bathing suits for summer. Perfect timing, it arrived in time for my birthday, so it's a birthday gift for myself. So I am going to check them out. This will be my first time ordering from Zaful, so I'm really excited to try it out. A friend of mine from my kickboxing class recommended it, and I am really excited to give it a try. So this is a two-piece. Here's the bottoms and the top. I love the print on this, so pretty. And for the next, here are the bottoms, a little different than the other ones, but super cute pattern. And the top, I am attempting white. Might be dangerous, we'll see. And I also ordered sunglasses just because I needed to bump up my order a tiny bit to get free shipping. So I got these also. We'll give them all a try. Also, if you're not already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment with any questions or suggestions that you have for me. Thanks. Now to try them on. Okay, here's bathing suit number 1. I left the tag on just in case I didn't want to keep it, but I think it looks pretty cute. I like that it comes up a little bit higher, it's higher waisted. The print is cute. Overall, I'd say it's a keeper. And it was cheap. And here's bathing suit number 2. Also pretty cute. I'm liking the white top. I like how it does this little piece here underneath. It's a little different than most bathing suits. And the print is cute. It reminds me of like a 50s bathing suit bottom. It's a little cheekier than I normally would wear, but not bad. I think this is also a keeper. So overall, I like both bathing suits. I think they're both keepers, and the third one should be on its way soon. Keep an eye out for a follow-up video so you can take a peek at the third one I ordered. Must be that one was on back order because my email says that it has a different tracking number. So hopefully it will arrive soon and you all can see what that one's about. Both bathing suits were under $20. One of them was $19.50, the other one was $17 for both pieces. Overall, it's cheaper than any other store. And I'm happy with what I found. That it seems like they're very good quality and they were here pretty quick. I just ordered them last week and they're already here. So super excited. I will definitely do business with Zaful again because I'm very happy with this, and I do recommend it. I will also put a link below to get a discount on your first Zaful order if you want to give it a try yourself, and I will also include my social media links and things like that. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment below on which one you like best, and if you have had an experience with Zaful, I would love to hear about it. But thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.